No! I didn't know the suspension moves so much. Okay, we are back. I'm just going to quickly gas up, head to the quarry, do some exploring, but mainly I'm just testing out the 3D printed license plate holder that I made. I spent all Saturday just measuring, designing, so pretty excited for that. I have it installed. I'll take some pictures of it in the quarry later in the video after I gas up. Really happy how it turned out. I'll also take a measurement of how much weight came off the bike. The side metal piece that was holding the license plate, all of that is gone, like huge amounts of weight, relatively speaking. Successfully gassed up. Oh man, I am so happy with how that bracket has turned out. So I'm heading to the quarry now. Once I get there, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's only a prototype, so it's not a fully finished product. Soon it will be. Oh fuck. Whoa. Okay, fuck. The bike did not like that. See, these are way too deep. Only happened to me once before that. The protection underneath the bike actually bottomed out. This was, I think, the second time that happened. Holy fuck. Some of these are like fucking craters, man. Like, holy shit. Actually really deep. That's crazy. Yeah, some of these are like fucking, like proper holes, like abyss level holes. Like, holy shit. I don't want to overtake the poor guy. I don't want to seem like that guy. I'll have to turn soon anyway, so we'll just follow him. It could also be that it didn't help that I have the suspension on the softest setting, so like it bounces the most, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, yeah, these were just too deep for the bike, fuck's sake. I never seen this road be like this, holy shit. Okay, so let's show you guys what I have done. I hope the exposure is okay, but basically this bracket piece, this I have designed so it's more sturdy to hold the chain guard. So it's just being held on by the original screw. I feel like this is a different screw than what was here originally. No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well. Oh, fuck. So I don't know how well you can see this, but I have no license plate at the moment. Holy shit. Fuck, man. I think... so I don't... like... So see, like the whole thing came off. That whole metal piece here that was holding the license plate, that all I took off. That's why we have this bracket. But the fucking license plate, it's fucking gone. It just broke off. I know I went over a bump and it made this sound, and I knew that the tire caught the license plate, but then I looked behind me, the license plate was still on. Well, this is a bit shit. I'm gonna check, maybe I dropped it off here or fuck, but well, that's not really what I was expecting. This was just a prototype, so I didn't make it to be as sturdy. I mean, evidently. I don't even know how this is loose. I don't know if you can see, but this is like hanging off. This is okay, almost. This is so loose. I don't know how this loosened up. Like, I tightened everything before I left. I don't know what the angle is. My helmet has the camera. I fucking tightened everything, man. Just because the license plate was caught with the tire once, that loosened the whole fucking bolt? Makes no sense to me. Like, I tightened it. I don't understand. Ah! Fuck's sake, man. I mean, obviously the angle was maybe too steep, so it came down, but I don't understand. Fuck, man. Now what the fuck do I do? I'm gonna have to request a new license plate, I guess. This is fucking shit. I tightened everything, man. Like, it has to be that the impact of the tire hitting the license plate holder, or actually the license plate, somehow loosened all this. Like, I don't have another explanation. I tightened everything. This is just ruined my fucking mood, man. Ah, I mean, I'm never gonna find a fucking license plate. Yeah, like, that's fucking gone. I'm never finding that. Never finding that shit, man. Because I was looking back, it was fine. Man, as soon as I heard that impact, I should have just stopped and taken a look. I just hope I can find it. Fuck, I don't even know what the process is of them giving me a new one. It's a custom plate, fuck's sake. Like, I wish I would see it here somewhere, you know what I mean? It has to be on the highway, fuck. I mean, that's gone. Like, people have been driving over it, you know what I mean? Like, it's... Maybe I lost it here. You know what? You know what? It could be here. When I hit the bump, maybe it touched again. Fuck, let's take a look. You know what? It has to have fallen here. Yeah, it has to have fallen here on this piece of shit road. It has to have. The morale is back up. Like, it only makes sense that it fell off here. Oh my god. Fuck, see, this is why it's a fucking prototype, boys. Oh my god. I mean... Holy shit. Look at this thing, man. I mean, fuck it, I'll straighten it out, it's okay. This is why it's a fucking prototype, boys. Fuck. So see, like... fuck, I wish I would have shown it to you guys. Fuck. Now it's fucking gone, man. I mean, it's finished, right? Like... Because it was like... It was kind of like... See, it was like... I didn't know the suspension moved so much. So I went into the hole and it just went boom. Just fucking touched it. You know, when it came down, boom, tire eliminated it. Still don't know why this is loose. Because I fucking tightened it. Well, I have most of the screws. And yeah, I know what to fix. I'm just really gonna have to... Oh my god, I'm so happy I have this. But I wanted to show it to you guys. So yeah, shit. I really wanted to show it to you guys. So basically, it was too low. It was too low, and I was going to make it a lot stronger. Like really, because this is pretty hollow. It's only maybe 15% filled in, so it's not as strong as if it was filled in more on the inside. You know what I mean? This is what a prototype is for. I'm so happy I found it. Well, I guess the video is not gonna be as good. So anyway, we'll go back to the quarry. We'll do some off-roading, practice some skills, do all of that. I can still do that. Let's put this in the bag. This was the whole point of the video, but it's okay. Oh my god, my bag. Shit, it's a bit dirty. Okay. Just gonna pull onto the side of the road and then I'll actually deflate the tires a bit so we can have a bit more fun, be a bit more safe. Well, if I don't even get pulled over today, then I don't know when. Fuck's sake, man, the bike gets fucking dirty, man. That's the only thing with off-roading. That's the price you have to pay. That fucking piece of shit guy didn't even signal that my license plate is gone, who was behind me. Fucking piece of shit guy. So I did my first ever wheelie. Of course I wasn't recording anything because I had like 6% left on my camera. So I was like, let's not record anything, no point. Nothing's gonna happen. I was literally like 20 seconds from my house and then I just pumped the forks and in first gear I just pinned it. And that's it. I was like, holy shit, no way. Fuck, I hope I can do it today. That was such an incredible feeling. I couldn't get the smile off of my face because I've been wanting to do a wheelie for so long. I'm gonna check these bolts in a second. I'm just gonna go back to the quarry. I don't know if the tool set that the bike comes with has the necessary tools, but we'll see. I think it might. Yeah, I never seen the road as bad as this. It's never been this bad. I never seen it like this before. Like this is atrocious. I'm just so happy I found it. Like the suspension deals with these like so great, but some of them are just so fucking deep, man. Once I change the exhaust, reroute the exhaust, oh, it's gonna be a little bit better. It's nice that the bike actually comes with tools, you know. It's very nice actually. Oh yeah, it's tightening. So I'll just do it like that. Okay, so I'm heading back now. I shot some demo shots, just, you know, a few different angles, me going past the tripod. But yeah, honestly, the fucking shutter speed, I feel like was just way too low, and it made me seem like I'm going at a snail's speed, like I'm barely fucking moving, man. Oh, it's so annoying, because I think I got some... And then also, the thing, because I don't think I was going that fucking slow, but, I mean, the camera will say otherwise. Like, I wasn't fucking going crazy, but it felt like I was going faster than what the camera is showing, you know what I mean? And then the other thing is, like, I was jumping a little bit, and I felt like I was wheeling a bit. I was feeling like I was getting some fucking distance, man. I was getting some air. But I wasn't. Like, the camera shows that I was, like, barely fucking flying, man. Like, barely getting the wheel off the ground. And fuck, I felt like I was flying, man. Ah, well, what can you do? I don't know if I'm gonna release the video, you know what I mean? Shit. Yeah, I should have just upped the fucking shutter speed to save myself. Well, anyway, I had fun. I think that's the thing that matters. Although I had a goal today, and I did want to make some cool video today. Just a bit of a different video, you know, me going by the tripod and stuff like that. Me looking cool, but only one of those happened. Okay, time to go home. Still have my tripod. Fuck, I'm gonna double check this time. Are you connected okay? Yep, he's connected. Alright, let's go. Yeah, because I understand why you need a slightly higher, well actually significantly higher shutter speed when you are taking pictures of a moving object. But I didn't know that it would so heavily would apply to taking a video as well. I knew about the pictures bit, but yeah, didn't know how it would affect the video, you know. I guess now I know. Yeah, whenever the wheel comes off the ground, I'm probably just not used to it, so it feels like it's like fucking like up high, like you're proper like doing a wheelie. But then you watch the video back and I'm like, what the fuck? It comes off the ground, but definitely not as extremely as I thought. But yeah, I basically spent all Saturday just measuring and customizing the license plate bracket, and I was very happy with it. I'm still very happy with it, and I'm happy I was able to find it because the base design is good. You know, most of it is sound, except I just need to change it up a bit, just so it doesn't get annihilated again. Oh, look at that. No feet on the ground. I should really practice slower maneuvering and almost just balancing with the bike, like standstill, you know what I mean? We're going extremely slow because there are so many of these fundamentals that you can improve on, and you should. I should, I absolutely should. It does feel a bit strange going without a license plate. I didn't quite get what I wanted in terms of the shots, I don't think, but at the end of the day, I had fun. I had fun filming it. I did something new that I've been wanting to do, even if it didn't turn out quite as cool as I wanted it to. It's okay. I had fun. I was riding the bike a bit more aggressively. I was learning today, so that's good. That's what's matters. You know, I had fun today. There's always tomorrow, always the next day to get some more shots and so on.